hand, raise your hands, and we will take it forward. So anyone has any questions about the challenge? How many of you are running the challenge today? We are running the 5th day checkpoint for the challenge for the people who are participating in the challenge. Let me just quickly share my screen and show you guys the current status of all of you. So thank you everyone. This is one of the first challenges that we are doing at a very big scale. So Pradeep is he is like he is one of the people who have a plan, who are executing very well. So out of the 67 people who have participated, you can see the number of people who are actually were doing it. So the participants, so you can see here what it is going. So let me show you guys the checkpoints. So today is the day, sorry for that, day 4 checkpoint, not day 5 checkpoint, day 4 checkpoint. So today this is the checkpoint. I hope all of you have seen this video. Today we don't have, we have a submission, yeah, one basic submission. This is a brief report on the what you are using. So I think for no code, you need to share a screenshot, a brief report on the data set, or I can say tech stack being used, include the pre-processing step. And I also have shared you guys the basic format of the things that are there. So this submission, I think in day 3, we did not have any, day 3, we had an optional submission. Today also, we have a, so today's submission that you are going to do is you are going to talk, the report that you are going to give. It will contain the proposal, the environment, and the tech stack that you are using. If you are using a no-code tool, share a screenshot and talk about the tool. Like suppose if you're using custom GPT, then take a screenshot of our custom GPT that is there. Challenge, Susan challenge, I can give you the link, but if you have not participated, you can still participate. That is not a problem, but you need to have an idea. So I have given you the link. So now coming to this, the same document, people were asking GitHub is important or not. If you have I request you to put a README file of GitHub as well, because GitHub is something that is mandatory, that in day 6, I will be requesting all of you to have the GitHub. So you can put the README file of the document that you are giving in a README file and put it on GitHub repository. But mainly I want to have a document of understanding all your steps, including your proposal. Okay. I will also including pre-processing steps, proposal. I'll just write here and project proposal submitted at day 1. Okay, can we use I think you can use Ahmad is asking, can we use Hugging Face or GitHub? If you are comfortable in Hugging Face, you can use Hugging Face as well. GitHub repository or / Hugging Face. I can put Hugging Face here as well. So Hugging Face repository is also fine. If you have everything on Hugging Face, if you have deployed your application on Hugging Face, I'm sure all of you know what is like if you go to Spaces, you need to make sure that you have a very good README here. So Ahmed, if you are putting something on Hugging Face, make sure that you add the README. So README file here, it should have all the details. So it is, if you are comfortable in putting everything here, it is fine. You don't need to put it on Hugging Face. Any more questions that is there? So I have, thank you, Ahmed. So I have updated it accordingly. I have put it here. I have put in the challenge, GitHub / Hugging Face repository. And one more thing, guys, one more thing is I have uploaded a this thing. It just got uploaded here. If you have access to all the people who have access to the challenge, deploy model application on Hugging Face spaces. So this is something that some people were getting issues at. So I have put this access in our people who have access to the challenge. They can see this. Deploy model application on Hugging Face spaces. So this is something that you can see. I will share with you guys as well. So I'm sure all of you have this link to this, right, Ahmed? So I know you are a AI Guild member, but what I've done for few videos that are important for the challenge, I have put it here. So no code. So Amar, you were asking, right? I will tell you to focus on one no code tool and put today's recording. I will also add it here, but it is already the same thing is here about job search custom GPT. You can use this recording as well. Today's recording, I'm going to put it as well in AI Guild. And for the we had the code LLM. This video is deploy model application on Hugging Face spaces. This was something I promised. I'm going to put this on the day 4. So you can view this for deploying your application on Hugging Face using Radio or Streamlit or any other application. Cool. Any other questions? So Amar left. Any other Ahmed? Who else are participating in the challenge? Any other questions you guys have? I can take it, or else we can close the session and go back. Anyone has anything? Anyone wants to raise their hands or tell something, ask any specific question, please do that. Uzair, Martin, Shukri, Sozan, Parvez Ahmed, Julian, OG. OG, have you built any custom GPT before? I hope now at least we can start doing something in this space. Cool. Cool. If there is no more questions, okay. Does this custom GPT can be used to monitor? I have not used it, Julian. I have not used it. Does this my custom GPT cannot be used to monitor data networks, but I think you need to read documentation about how you can do this, how you can monitor data network. Uh, Any more questions? Okay, cool, OG. You can have a look, whatever I told you. So as I was telling Mustafa, I am going to upload the recording. I am going to give the OpenAI schema and you guys can do it. Yes. You need to have GPT plus Uzair to build your custom GPT. And I have, okay, let me give you guys access to my GPT, the GPT that I built. Anyone with the link, copy link. So the today's GPT that I built, guys, I am putting the link here. I think to use this custom GPT that I have built, you can use it for the first 10 times. So I am putting it in the chat. So this is the custom GPT that today we built, job search custom GPT. So you can see this job search.gpt. Try to, but to build a new GPT on by yourself, you need to have a plus. Can custom ChatGPT integrate with ATS application tracking system? Yeah. Can you give me one example? which ATS tracker are you talking about? Ahmed, any name? Are you talking about companies like SAP Success Factor or uh, Ahmed, we have built. I know that. I know you used to hire people. So suppose you can connect it to tools. ATS is a technology, right? It is not a tool. So you can create that. If it is a tool like Success Factors or Microsoft Dynamics, I think you can connect it. But I have created a separate project, Ahmed, for this same thing that you are saying, right? ATS. Let me share my screen. So if you go to the guild, you are part of the guild, right? So if you go to the guild, you go to the product, you go to outcome-based training, you go people who want to do something in ATS. So this is the link, copy link. So this is a ATS core application using LLM. So we have not used custom GPT. We are using LLM to do a specific ATS core. So this is the thing. But for ATS core, you can create within custom GPT, you can create a prompt infrastructure to read the job description, to read the resume, to count the words from the job description. So what we have done in this project is more about prompt engineering and in Python, but you can replicate it in custom GPT. I'm sure you can do that. And I'm sure there are GPTs like I think OG also had asked me about ATS and what you can do is I'm sure if you go, people have done that. You go to Explore GPT, you can have ATS. Yeah, see this? OG, you were talking about this, right? So you can use this. There is one website called Recruitment Pro. You can put your resume and click here to start your evaluation. So you can do this. So it has been done. So to start evaluation, you give the job description, give the CV, give the profile, and it is going to give you answer. So this is something that is using lot of things, and you can do it. I personally want to push people to start building things. So I'm trying to ask him what is the prompt. It is not telling me. It is like guarding it. I'm afraid I cannot share specific prompt instruction that define my behavior. However, I'm here to assist evaluating job candidates based on the information you provide. This is a custom GPT, Recruiter Pro. Any more questions, guys? Any one of you have any other questions? Any feedback on the challenge that is going? How are you enjoying the challenge? Are you able to put things together in a step-by-step way? One more news is we are going to launch a LinkedIn challenge very soon, and we are going to launch more programs like this in the future. AI residency is going on. But we are going to launch one more programs that are like challenges, like AI challenge is going good, whatever I feel. Let us see the final response. Can you use custom? You can take the help of custom GPT to create e-commerce website. It can give you options. HTML code. It can give you the file structure, the CSS, and everything. So AI, like it cannot create something completely for you. So you can still. I am now learning about make automation and everything. In the future, I'm going to have sessions on automations. Personally, I have not done automation, but I am learning automations. You can directly website is something that you cannot do, but it can give you the code and it can give you the structure to do that for you guys. Okay. Any more questions anyone has? Okay. So, okay, then if there is no more questions, thank you, Parvez, and thank you everyone for taking your time. Please make sure that you submit your checkpoint 4 by end of the day, and the new video is going to be released or tomorrow regarding more about making sure everything is fine and deploying it on Hugging Face. Thank you. Best of luck, and anything is there, please use the chat.